Hey guys, want to take better photos on your iPhone? Enabling the grid on your camera can help you line up your shots perfectly. Let me show you how to do it in just couple of minutes. First, grab your iPhone and open the settings app. Now scroll down and tap on camera. In the camera settings, scroll down a little and look for the option that says grid. Now simply toggle the switch next to grid and turn it on. Once it's on, the grid will appear in your camera app and it will help you with framing your shots. And here it is. Now when you open your camera app, you'll see the grid on the screen, which will help you follow the rule of thirds and get more balanced photos. The grid will appear in both photo and video mode to help you with your alignment. Super helpful, right? And that's it. Now you've got the grid on your iPhone camera. If this video helped, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe and tap on the bell for more quick tips. See you in the next one.